Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your week 3 screencast video. So let's take a look at the schedule for the week. We're moving into chapter 2 in the Curious Researcher. Chapter 2 is all about researching and research strategies for your topic that hopefully many of you are working on here and finishing up week 2. We have exercise 2.1, and then discussion board 6 is what's a good source. Also this week we will be talking about the annotated bibliography. So I'll get to the weekly course module in a minute. One thing I want to point out in the discussion boards, let me get there real quick. As time moves on through our course, I will start rotating some of the older discussion boards down to the bottom of the page here, the section on discussion boards. So if you're looking to make up a post or do some responses, you'll have to scroll a bit and find some of the older discussion boards. I try to keep the current discussion boards up towards the top. That way it's easier for everyone to just manage, save some time. So I want to point out exercises 1.1, 1.4. There were several good posts in there, the beginning portions of the process in determining a topic, developing a topic. Okay, and then actually the discussion board number 4, exercise 1.5. A lot of interesting topics I'm finding there. So if you're kind of struggling with what to write, what to work with, take the time to read through the discussion board posts. Look through some of the documents that everybody used to brainstorm the activities there. Look at some of the research proposals and some of the source information and how to put those posts together. So far I've seen some really good posts out there. Interesting topics like I mentioned before. So you're going to want to use the discussion boards to help you develop your content and your ideas for this short 8-week semester. All right, that's what the discussion boards do. Not only do you talk to each other, but at the same time you're able to pick up some tips on how to go about working on your particular research project. So in the week 3 chapter 2 course unit, I have many readings and activities and what sections to focus on. For the discussion board 6 post, I have the weekly lecture videos already been posted. For those of you who might need some help formatting MLA citations, there's a YouTube video about using EasyBib there. Now I have a section here on library research and all the links to the library research, and we'll take a look at that a little bit more, I believe, in the lecture video about midweek. Also, here is the annotated bibliography assignment. Now, I urge everybody to take a look at this assignment and read it carefully. I've also produced a separate instructional video and an example for the annotated bibliography. I believe this is due at the beginning of week 5. It's denoted just about everywhere in the class, in the syllabus, and in the excuse me, in the course units. Excuse me there. Also, I talk about what an annotation is and my expectations for an annotation for each of those 8 sources. Also, it'll be demonstrated here in the example and the other instructional video. All right. Here's the links to the discussion boards for this particular week. So as you can see, a lot of the work is starting to pick up. Once again, I want to emphasize that this is an 8-week class, and this is the beginning of week 3. All right, so pay attention please to the schedule and the due dates right here as to when these assignments are going to be due. This is an ongoing assignment, so it's going to take a bit of effort, so I want everybody to be aware of the amount of work and what needs to be completed. Also, I want to make sure that everybody understands that in order to move ahead in this course and provide yourself with the opportunity to complete the other work, you need for it is that you need that topic to work with. You need a topic to research. You need to figure out a direction. And most of all, I can't help you unless you put something up in Blackboard here, and I can help you shape a topic as I go through and review them at the end of the week. All right. So that's it for the week 3 screencast video. Check during the week for other videos and information. If you need any other help, you know where to find me and email land. Good luck.